We are the source factory direct sales of the fryer. The fryers are all made of thickened stainless steel. It won't rust, sturdy and durable. There are handles on both sides of the fuselage. Lift the whole machine for easy movement and placement. Independent power switch button, safer to use electricity. Rotate the temperature control button to precisely control the temperature. Simple operation. Double temperature probe needle. Temperature limiting probe. Temperature probe. Ensure accurate and even oil temperature. The nose can be turned up. Can be removed. Easy to clean. The oil cylinder can be lifted and taken out. Can quickly pour out the oil residue. Not hot. Thickened stainless steel fried basket. Easy to use and strong. Thickened stainless steel dust cover. Keep food clean and hygienic. Quality guaranteed. After-sales guarantee. We are the source manufacturer value. Have your trust.